Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to get into the Master & Dynamics MW75 for Mercedes-Benz AMG. Now you can pick these up online. I'll throw the link up in the description. The price on these, $600. Now look, I'm not going to waste your time going through all of the specs. I already did a full review on the MW75s. Now if you watched that video, you would know these are my #1 wireless headphones with ANC. Okay? But now, Master & Dynamics took it to the next step. 3 of the things that I love, okay? Premium luxuriousness, God tier active noise cancellation, and ridiculous bass. And now they made it better, okay? Premium luxuriousness, God tier ANC, ridiculous bass, and carbon fiber, and German race car branding. All right, let me calm down. I'm too hyped right now. Let me show you the website real quick because they do have a few other Mercedes-Benz products. Okay, so you got the MW75s, you got the MG20s. Now let me talk about the MG20s real quick. I'm about to do a review on these. These are easily my favorite gaming headphones. Now I got 2 sets that I use. I use the B&Os and I use these. Now the B&Os have active noise cancellation. These don't. But these have way better sound. The mic quality on these is crystal clear. Okay? Supreme comfort. All right, 7.1 channel sound. Look, the volume on these. When I'm playing Street Fighter Online, I actually can't rock these at max volume. They're too loud. Okay, so stand by for a video on these. But these also come in the Mercedes-Benz edition. Okay, that's the MG20s. They got the MW08 Sports. Y'all see me review those. Those are in my top 10. And they got the MC100 wireless charging pad. Okay, so we got Master & Dynamics for Mercedes AMG. Just in case you don't remember, okay, you got 3 modes of ANC made from lightweight anodized aluminum and lambskin. Okay, look at the Mercedes-Benz branded carbon fiber. Y'all know how I feel about carbon fiber. Okay? Okay, here we go. First things first, shout out to White Shoes, back in the building.
I love my white shoes. I love my white shoes. I love my white shoes.
White Shoes,
I love my white
calm down. All right, I had to take it to the left hand today. One more thing to mention. Now, y'all seen that in the MW75 video. Don't forget to check this out. All right, the MW01, the wireless adapter. This turns your wireless headphones, okay? You put the wireless adapter on it. Now you can use these on a treadmill. You can use these on an airplane wirelessly. This is such an underrated product. Okay, let's grab a little unboxing knife and get to poking. Here we go. First, hold on. Let's take a look at this presentation. All right, we don't want to rush this one. AMG branding, which on a side note, y'all know I'm all about Team Beam, but at the end of the day, I support all of the German race cars. Okay, Mercedes-Benz, AMG, Audi, Volkswagen. Look, I'm a car guy. I support Mopar, you know what I'm saying? All the JDM cars. But y'all know the Euros are the best. Do not argue with me. The Euros are the best. Mercedes-Benz, AMG, BMW, Audi are the best. Okay, premium materials, active noise cancellation. Let's see. Let's look at all the BMW and Mercedes-Benz logos. Okay, make sure we see all of the logos. All right, here we go. Let's enjoy this one. Here it is. Okay, now as far as the presentation, pretty much the same as the original MW75s. Nice big box. All right, this is a nice black box. Y'all know I like that. Giggity. Here we go. Let's see. Now, how do we do this nicely? Okay, we got a little slide out right here. Okay, slide this out. Okay. Here it is. Okay. Oh, look at the case. Look at the case. Okay, so we got some AMG branding on the case. Now let's see what this is going to be. This should be your standard usual books and shit. Plug them and file them. Okay, that's pretty much it for that. Okay, now the case definitely looks different from the original MW75s. What's this? Velvet. Got a nice, this is nice. Nice feel on this. This kind of feels like felt material. Okay, AMG branding. Okay, a little hit of red on that zipper. Okay, real nice. Let's go ahead and pop these open. Okay. Shoes is patiently waiting for the cables. Okay. Here it is. Woo! Okay, let me calm down. Okay, hold on. All right, here it is. Okay, MW75 Mercedes-Benz edition. Look at the carbon fiber. Okay, I'm going to have to upload this video in 4K because I need y'all to see this carbon fiber. All right, this carbon fiber needs to hit you right in your mouth. Look at the red trim going around it. Oh, you got the lambskin, all right, with the supreme comfort. Oh, hold on a second, let me check something. Oh yeah, my nipples are extra hard right now. Okay, now you got your charging cable. All right, this is USB Type-C to USB Type-C. Okay, and of course you got your OTG. Everything is the same. Airplane adapter, leave that in there. You got your 1/4 inch. Let me just pull that out. Okay, 1/4 inch adapter. And you got USB Type-C to USB-A. No reason to take that out. Okay? Now, let's take a look at the headphones again. Look at these. Now, of course, y'all see me do the East Island head size test. These are going to fit everybody. But just look at these. Okay, look. Let me let that sink in for a minute. Just look at that. Let me let that carbon fiber hit you again. Bang! AMG. Now, if you're new to my channel, you're probably saying, oh, why are you getting so hyped over carbon fiber? Because, all right, I'm all about that. Matter of fact, hold on. Let me do a smell test on these. These smell like race car. Okay, if you ever been in a race car, as soon as you sit down, this is what it smells like. These smell extra fast. Okay, if you wear these headphones when you're driving your car, you get an additional 30 horsepower. Okay, that's a little power up that you get. Again, lambskin everywhere. The sound quality on these, amazing. Active noise cancellation, God tier. Okay, these are the truth right here. Now, like I said, I don't have to do a full review on this. I'll leave a link right here where you can watch that video. These are the truth. Now, there's one more thing I wanted to mention before I get out of here. So let me pause the video. I'm going to grab a couple of headphones. I'm gonna grab a couple of let me say that one more time. I'm going to grab a couple of sets of headphones, and I want to show you something. But real quick, here's the difference between the MW75s and the AMG editions. Okay, now, I love both of them, but if I had to choose, come on, bro. I'm going with carbon fiber. All right, let me grab something. I'll be right back. Talk amongst yourselves. All right, so before I grab the headphones, I just looked at my peripheral vision and I noticed something. Check this out. Now, I was kind of hyped, so I didn't really look at the whole headphones. You see that red going around the carbon fiber? Look at the buttons. The buttons are also cherry red. This kind of looks like the start button in the race car. How you got that red button? These just scream. All right, these scream race car. I love it. Now let me grab some headphones. All right, y'all, so we back in. Now, like I said, I'm going to keep this video short and sweet, but yesterday I did the Sennheiser Momentum 4s, and at the end of the video, I did not rank my top 5. And a lot of people want to know, what are my top 5s? So here we go. Number 1 on my list, okay? Master Dynamics MW75. And not just because of the AMG edition, the original MW75s are by far my favorite active noise canceling headphones. God tier ANC, okay? The supreme build quality, the supreme comfort, the sound quality is crazy, and y'all know I love bass. These hit hard, okay? These are number 1 on my list. Now, they're a little bit pricey, but you know the rules to the game. You got to pay to play. So now these are my new number 1s, okay? Because of the carbon fiber and the Mercedes branded. I love these. Okay, number 2 on my list. Again, you got to pay to play. I'm going with the AirPod Max, okay? These are number 2 on my list. The supreme active noise cancellation, okay? God tier. Not to mention you got the trendy look. And on a side note, one of the things that I love about these AirPod Max, if I go somewhere and I'm looking like a complete bum and I'm wearing these, for some reason, people are not scared of me. Now, y'all see I got a whole bunch of tattoos and all of that. So if I look like a bum, I do tend, and I'm kind of big, I do tend to look a little bit intimidating. But if I go to the airport and I'm wearing some beat up shorts, beat up t-shirt, and I'm rocking these and a nice watch, people tend to think that you got a couple of dollars, okay? So it's one of the things that I love about the AirPod Max. It's kind of like a little status symbol, but they do sound great. Okay, now if you got an iPhone, you're going to get that Apple lossless music. They do sound great. They look great. You can see that they're dirty, so that means I actually rock these a lot. God tier noise cancellation. That's number 2 on my list. Now, here's the controversy. Number 3. Number 3 on my list. I could technically go either way. Now, for me, I'm going with the Sennheiser Momentum 4s. Okay? Number 3 could be the Sennheiser Momentum 4s or the Sony M5s. Now, here's my personal opinion. Okay? Personally, the Sennheisers, they look a little bit better. Okay? I like that cloth on the top. Now, I was going back and forth with people in the comments yesterday. Some people say they like the Momentum 3 look better. But these just look way more modern. They look more sleek and stylish. If you got on a nice fit and you up in the airport, the Sennheiser Momentum 3s, they look a little bit more, I don't want to say kiddie, but they look a little bit more, like B-boy style. They look a little bit more, hardcore. They look like some big audiophile headphones. You want something that looks sleek and modern. This is just my opinion. I think these look a little bit more up to date. Okay? Now, here's the thing. In terms of sound quality, these sound better to me than the Sony M5s. Once you tweak the EQ settings, now it's all about EQ settings with both of these headphones because on the stock setting, both of them will leave a little bit to be desired. But if you tweak the EQ settings correctly, the Sennheiser is going to give you more bass. And y'all know I'm all about bass. Now look, this is when it comes to making your purchase decision based on you and your music. If you're listening to Beethoven's greatest hits, why do you care about bass? You're going to want clarity. Me, I'm all about that bass. Okay, these have more bass. However, the Sony M5s have God tier noise cancellation. Okay, these have more ANC. So how would I do this? If I'm in the house listening to music like right now, and you don't really hear any noise around, I'm gonna be rocking the Sennheisers all day. If I go upstairs and I got the TV on and I'm trying to do some work, I'm rocking the Sennheisers, okay? These got top tier noise cancellation, so it's gonna cancel out the TV, cancel out my air conditioner. I'm good to go. But if I'm going on a flight, okay, I need God tier noise cancellation on my flights. I would pick the Sony M5s. I'll take a hit with the bass and take the little upgrade in ANC. Now, funny story, when I travel, I got bad luck. I always got to sit next to a baby, either in front of me or behind me. I got the baby crying. That's part of the inspiration that I got to do the baby crying test. I have such bad luck on the flights, okay? I always sit next to somebody who's drunk, talking a lot, okay? Somebody who's arguing in front of me, right behind me. I can never get a break. That's why noise cancellation is so important to me. So number 3, I'm going with Sennheiser. Number 4, Sony. But it's basically a toss-up between these two. They look the same, almost, okay? Both nice and stylish and sleek. Oh, and one more thing. Now, when I ranked these yesterday, a lot of people were saying, okay, well, you gave the Sonys a quad major go, and you gave the Sennheisers a triple major go. How's that possible? Let me explain something to y'all, okay? Now, if you're new to my ranking scale, when I say a triple major go, that means buy this product, you're not going to be disappointed. When I say quad major go, that means buy this product, you're not going to be disappointed. Don't read too deep into the difference between triple major go and quad major go. That's part of the reason why I don't use numbers. Because look, if I told you, I'm going on a date tonight and you want to come, I got a friend for you, and you said, okay, how do they look? I said, that person is a 9. Guess what? You going. If I say that person is a 10, guess what? You going. Okay? If I just post a picture at a restaurant and you hit me up, yo, Floss, how was the food? It was a 9. Guess what? You making a reservation next week. If I say it was a 10, guess what? You making a reservation. So a quad major go and a triple major go, basically the same thing. Okay? Now the reason I gave the Sonys a quad major go is because I'm reviewing active noise canceling headphones. These have better active noise cancellation. These are God tier. That's why I had to give them a quad major go. Now the Sennheisers, these have top tier noise cancellation with better sound. If they would have had God tier, then it would have been a quad. But I would say go out and buy either one of these. Okay, either one of these, you're not going to be disappointed. And last on my list, okay, that's number 3 and 4. Number 5, underrated, okay, but still appreciated. The Techniques, we're going to go with the, I forgot the actual number of these, but the Techniques. Now, I'll leave a link for this video too. These are just as good as the Sennheisers and the Sonys, okay? The app, fully functional. These are top tier noise cancellation. If you tweak the app, Okay, you could get a little bit more bass than the Sonys. Okay, but the Sonys, again, that God tier noise cancellation is crazy. All right, so that's my top 5. Let me go ahead and wrap this up. Like I said, next week, all right, shoes, calm down. Next week, okay, I'm going to do a full review on the MG20s if you're into gaming, okay? Now, if y'all watch my last stream, y'all remember when I was testing out the B&Os? I love the sound quality in the B&Os, and they got active noise cancellation, which is crazy. But y'all remember the mic quality was a little bit suspect. I've been gaming with these for my last couple of days, playing Street Fighter Online. The volume is almost too loud. I actually have to turn it down. And when I'm talking to my girl playing, busting that ass in the MK, she hears me and I hear perfectly fine. Okay? So these are insane. I'm going to do a video. Back to the star of the show. Master and Dynamics MW75 AMG edition. Okay, if you're all about that race car life, yo, imagine how sick this is gonna look when I pull up at the car meets. Again, I jump out and I just got these, I'm not wearing them. I just got these on my head like this. Oh, look at the top. I didn't even notice. Look at the top. AMG branded on the top. Hold up. I did not even notice that. Let me see something. Okay, look at that. These are the regular MW75s with all that lambskin. You know what I'm saying? Look at the top on these. AMG branded on the top. Okay, I lied. So these add even more horsepower, okay? The carbon fiber on the sides, they're going to add some horsepower, but when you see that AMG on the top, you get a little bit of boost from these too. All right, so you get horsepower and boost all from buying one set of headphones. Anyway, let's kind of wrap this up. Let me let y'all look at that case again. I love the little hits of red here and there, but on the buttons, it just screams. It just screams race car. Anyway, Master and Dynamics MW75s. I'm trying to get the AMG logo in focus. You need to see both of these together. MW75s, AMG editions. Let's see. Oh yeah, same mechanisms. Okay. AMG editions. Are they worth $600? The answer is, of course. Okay, of course they are. You got to pay to play. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about these. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Boxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know. Stream gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat boys allowed. Oh yeah. Special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat. Flossy_Carter. That's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I see y'all in the comment section early. Hashtag salute. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes. Picture me rolling. It's your boy Flossy now. Deuces. Spot run the beam up. Energize.
We're in a situation where everybody in the world uses technology. And if you're gonna buy some of that technology, you gotta understand certain things. Subscribe to Flossy Carter. He does reviews of all the latest technology. The iPhones, the iPads, the Galaxies, the Samsungs, whatever the fuck. The Beats by that doctor guy. And he puts his kitty cat in the videos too for you something to look at. You know, I'm an animal lover, so I like that shit. So make sure you hit the subscribe button to Flossy Carter on the YouTube, the follow button on the Instaface, and the like button on the Facelook. Because if you don't, we're gonna have a fucking problem here. A bad one. Now hit the fucking subscribe button.